Hey guys, it's Marianne from Thrive Admin Services. Today's video is a really short, sharp one, and it's walking you through how you go about creating a new service or a new option in your bookings app or your bookings program in Microsoft 365. So I'm using my test calendar and I'm going to create a whole new service that will be available from my bookings page. So let's get started. Okay, so because I'm going to show you how to do a couple of things in bookings today, thought we'd start at the very beginning and I'll jump in from Office. So I've headed to office.com on my web browser. Now I am working in on a Mac desktop PC, so some of my buttons around my web browser may look different, but working in Google Chrome, as long as you're working in Google Chrome on your PC, laptop or other device, then things should look similar for you. Obviously, if you're working on a tablet or your phone, it will look different again. So from Office, we're heading to the app launcher and we're heading to bookings. It's this funny little B here, or you can go to all apps and then they're in alphabetical order and we go to bookings. So from here, I'm going into my existing calendar, but today I'm going to do some stuff in my test calendar to show you how I would add a new service. So we're going to jump in here and we're going to, here we go to services over on the left-hand side. So I'm going to create a service here, which is like a VIP day service. I'm going to show you how we would set this up. So we go add new service. I'm going to start at the very beginning. So I'm going to call this one VIP Service 1 because I may do some more tests. Now the description, you can put as much text in here as you like, but the more you put in, the less is visible. So you keep it short and sharp so that people know. Ideally, by the time they've come to your booking site, they have an idea and they're wanting to actually book the appointment. So it's really just a grab to remind them if the title is not clear enough. So I'm going to put in here that this is let's say this is a 4-hour online, 4-hour virtual VIP session. Let's get your as an example. The location, so you can put locations, obviously that's picking up things from all of my calendar. Otherwise you could just type something in. Now for this one, it's going to be a virtual session, so I can go add as an online meeting. So it will automatically, when it's confirming this with people, it will set it up as an online meeting. You can send an anonymous link so that they can protect their privacy. So I would do that just because that's a standard kind of thing to protect people. So again, here we're going to set the duration. So it's a 4-hour session. And I'm going to make that 0. Now you can pop some buffer time in. So your buffer time is so that other appointments and people who book things can't book stuff so you haven't got back-to-back appointments. So what I usually do is I have a 10-minute before and a 15-minute after. Now the price, so you can advertise what the price on this is. So you can say callers, or the price varies, or it's starting at, there is no price, or you can have it as a fixed price. So I would say here, call us for a price and let us know. If you want to put it in as a fixed price, you would then just set the dollar amount and that will show up on your invoice. So let's say that we put it as a fixed price of $500 so we can see what it is. And then here, these are the notes. Maximum attendees. So if you set this that the maximum number of attendees is 1, you can't change it afterwards. If you set it that the maximum number of attendees is like 10 different people to this session, then you can have up to 10 people on the invite. I usually just make it 1 because I can always share, people can always forward the calendar invite when it comes. And I always tick this, I toggle this to on. So this lets customers manage their appointment, whether it was booked by me and my staff or whether it was booked by them. So for someone who's booking an appointment directly through the calendar, through the booking system, perfect. If I'm talking to someone on the phone and then I book it, I want them to be able to change it if they need to afterwards. So I always tick that one. And save changes. So we've now got this one here, which is my VIP service. Without doing anything else and stressing about any of the other details, what it's done is it's given me a booking page. It's got, so the description here, the price. So if I click this button here, it will open it in a new window. And here you go. So you can see here, VIP service, 4 hours, $500. You can select anyone in my staff, and then people would fill this in and it would come through. The other thing that is useful to do is to go back to my booking page and have a look at my general booking page for this. And you can see it's coming up with a VIP service. And if they click the button here, that's that description pops up here. So if people are looking for anything there. And then if they select this, it will tell you, obviously, it will have the availability and you can choose what time it would be at. Okay, so that is how you create a new service in Bookings. So that one was nice and simple, I hope, really straightforward. And if you're not changing or customizing any of the features, that's it, and it's ready to roll, and it's public and available. The thing I love about Bookings is that you can share your general calendar with all of your services, or you can share those individual calendars. So you can say to someone who's interested in a specific service, this is the exact tool to book that service. If you have any questions about what you've seen in today's video, don't hesitate to get in touch. You can pop a comment on the video here. You can get in touch with me on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. You can send me an email via our website, Marianne at thriveadmin.com, or visit thriveadmin.com. If you are already a member of Thriving with 365, then you can pop a post in our private Facebook group, or you can send me a message via your member portal. I will talk to you soon. Thanks.